Moving on, a former Fort Wayne teen is being charged as an adult in a South Dakota murder.
A man who also used to live in Fort Wayne has already been convicted in the case. News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson has more tonight, live in News Control.
Well, the teen has lived in both Fort Wayne and Mexico. For the last year and a half, she's been in a juvenile detention facility in South Dakota. But yesterday, prosecutors charged her in a murder case as an adult. In a rural field in South Dakota, 16-year-old Jasmine Guevara was brutally murdered.
Things like that just shouldn't happen.
November 10th, 2009, police were called to a car fire. They found her body in the trunk.
Certainly when you have a 16-year-old student at one of our schools, it's a very serious matter. It's one that has caught the eye of South Dakota based upon the age of the participants involved.
In court documents, 15-year-old Maricela Diaz and 21-year-old Alexander Salgado admitted to the crime. They said they lured Guevara there under false pretenses, stabbed her, cut her throat, put her in the trunk, and lit the vehicle on fire with lighter fluid.
Those details are very serious, and in fact, they were serious enough that before Alexander Salgado had accepted the plea of guilty and received a life sentence, the state had given notice to seek the death penalty for his actions involved in this case.
The killing happened just 1 month after Diaz and Salgado had moved to Mitchell, South Dakota from Fort Wayne. The couple had an infant together. The probable cause said Diaz wanted to kill Guevara because she was jealous of a relationship developing between Guevara and Salgado. Now Diaz will face 5 felony charges, including murder, in adult court.
There are a variety of different charges, 3 of which carry a maximum penalty of life. So this is a very serious case. We hope that the case will continue to move forward as far as being able to move forward for the victim's family and for justice.
Prosecutors can't pursue a death penalty for Diaz because she was younger than 18 at the time of the crime. If convicted, though, she could face life in prison. Live in News Control, Alyssa Ivinson, News Channel 15.